بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Hello and very good morning to everyone. Today we are talking about the pH control circuit. This is West. For discharge point we have a pH meter, and this is the reading, but it's showing blinking because of this maybe some problem. Actually it's normal because of camera. So it's showing the pH 8.17 and the temperature is 2.25 like this. So this is, you can see a calibration point. One second. Okay, so this is the meter for showing the pH. So now we are discussing about the installation and how it works. And also we are discussing about the circuit, full circuit, how to install for the pH sensor, electrical circuits and signal. So here you can see this is the main breaker. The main power is coming. I will tell you, this is the main cable power coming here. This is the main power is coming here to the connector. After the connector is going here and coming here to the main breaker. Okay, this is the main MCB 15 ampere. Okay, so after this breaker is going here like to this breaker MCB 10 ampere. Okay, this breaker and this connected to this breaker from this and this, and then connected to here. This is also MCB, and this is SPD, surge protector device. This line is neutral, and we are discussing about the output. So this output is going to this breaker, and this breaker output is connected to the exhaust fan and the light. You can see here. Okay, this light. Okay, this one. And this one is connected to the this meter. I should show you micro short bass controller. You can see here Microsoft processor base controller PH960. It's connected here. This is the power source. Okay, red, neutral, and hot. Is connected here. Okay, this main one is coming from the main MCC panel. Okay, this the three wires, positive, red like line, and neutral is here. Okay, so it means one breaker for the Microsoft based processor controller for the controller, and one breaker for the exhaust fan and for the light, and surge protective device SPD. This one only for all the transient voltage to control. So we will talk about also about the surge protector, why we are using surge protector, and what is the purpose of this surge protector, and also the work principle. Okay, and also we have a signal arrestor. This power arrestor SPD, and this is signal arrestor. Okay, so signal arrestor we are using for the signal against the signal interruption. So here you can see this is connected up, signal positive, negative. It's coming through this cable. Okay, to here. One second, where is this one? Okay, this is input is connected to the, it's coming here. Okay, to the controller. This is positive, negative. Okay, signal negative, signal positive is connected to the end of signal arrestor. Output of the signal arrestor, you can see here. Okay, is going like this, coming here, and it's coming here. Okay, to the connector. So this connector is signal positive, negative, right, and earth. So this is connected to here, and this cable is going to the label. Okay, and this one thermostat for the fan control. Okay, so I hope until now you learn. If any question you can ask in the comment section. So let's go to the next step. The next step, this one is the cable. This wires from the pH sensor, and this pH sensor is going here to the down this area, and it's going that lines, you see that line to the pond section. I'll show you now. This one you can see the pH sensor, and this cable is going directly to the controller. So from the controller you can see the cable is coming here. It's connected to it. It's not clear, but you can see it's connected to the connector here, the control panel. This is MCC panel. So look at here, this is the AIT we give on the reference number W108AA. This is the switch on. We can control from here to get the power, to stop the power. From here you can see. So this is my screen. You can see pH 8.2, AIT W108AA pH 8.2. So this is our PLC panel. Thank you so much for watching. So now I told you that I will discuss about power arrestor or SPD, surge arrestor. So actually surge arrestor or SPD, surge protective device, a surge arrestor is a device to protect electrical equipment from over voltage, right? From over voltage transient caused by external or internal any events like highlights, light arrestor, right? So this is called like SPD, surge protective device or surge arrestor, right? And but you should know about also the transient voltage. Okay, when transient voltage happen, so a temporary unwanted voltage in an electrical circuit that range from a few volts to several thousand volts and last microsecond up to a few microseconds, right? So like it can last in a few from microsecond up to a few milliseconds, right? So even you can see the graph, voltage spikes. This is called voltage spikes. Okay, it's coming here. So this is a transient voltage or transient here. Okay, this is a graph called voltage. Just a little bit some changes, sorry for that. So I just want to show you something like for a transient voltage. So I hope the people enjoy the video. If you like my video, kindly don't forget to subscribe and also like and share with your friends. Thank you so much.